Freedom Hill is actually below the opening of the Van Duzer quarter. The hills that form the south mouth of the Van Duzer quarter come kind of like this and then kind of come back into the Coast Range. Pinot Blanc ripens later than Pinot Noir and Chardonnay, and it needs a little more heat. And I particularly like it when it has more sun. So we use a very different system here called a Geneva double curtain, or GDC for short, where instead of this pruning cane being low, it's very high. These shoots are now growing up. When they get to be about 2 or 2.5 feet tall, there's actually an extra wire here. This wire will actually be brought over these shoots and pushing them to the outside, so they're draping down. So the shoot essentially is facing the sun, but downward. That means that the fruit, and this is the cluster right here, and that cluster isn't going to move. The shoot's only going to grow from the end. So that cluster, this cluster will be relatively high, with very few leaves protecting it from the sun. The grapes get kind of a golden, almost kind of toasty kind of color to them, and that brings a richness of flavor that I particularly like, because along with that flavor comes also some really nice texture. And to me, Pinot Blanc is a grape that you can make a wine that has beautiful texture.